Hey, Gorge.
Yeah.
Do you remember last year when we did Christmas on the Clocktower?
When we rented out that beautiful country house and played Clocktower all weekend.
Yeah.
And dressed up like Victorian goths and had a Christmas feast.
Yeah.
And some of the people who came said it was one of the best weekends of their life.
Yeah. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. We're returning once again to the Norfolk countryside for Christmas on the Clocktower, our spooky Christmas extravaganza.
If you haven't heard of it, Christmas on the Clocktower is a weekend of playing Clocktower with some of your favourite players from YouTube and Twitch and a bunch of lovely fans from around the world.
So last year we did a performance of our comedy game show Blood on the Clocktower live, which was absolute chaos and lots of fun. And we did a world premiere of a play that I wrote that you won't have heard of before. It's called A Clockmas Carol, and it was an original piece by me. All about a character called Dominies Scrooge, who's a very stingy Victorian businessman who is obsessed with the rights-free and better game Werewolf, as opposed to the awful expensive game Blood on the Clocktower. It was a real tour de force and something I'm personally very proud of.
Rejoining us for another year are Dom Allen, Tilly Steele, Sullivan Bo Brown, Blair Shepherd, Holly Musgrave, Daddy Ben, Laurie Blake, Ken Cheng, Patters, Mara Joy, Ivan Brett from The Traitors.
And me, John Gracie.
The price is all-inclusive, so that means accommodation for the weekend, food, drinks, entertainment, everything is included in the price. Just to warn you, it is very expensive, but there is a range available depending on whether you're in a dorm or in a private room. And this year we are adding a new option, tents.
A friend of mine runs a luxury bell tent company, so we're going to have a few of those in the garden. They can fit 2 people, either as a twin or a double, and they're the cheapest option per person that we have.
And it's obviously going to be winter, so it could be a bit chilly, but they are designed to retain heat, and the company will provide lots of blankets and hot water bottles. I think it'll be fun.
I'll be in the house.
If you'd like to join us, you can send me an email to book your ticket. All the details are on the link below.
I really hope you can join us for a wonderful weekend of singing Christmas carols, lovely food, fun surprises, a new play that I've written based on an entirely new story that you might well recognise, that I'm incredibly excited for you to see, and hanging out with the gang in an amazing house, and of course a huge amount of clockers. So hope to see you there.
Bye!
Bring us some figgy pudding.